Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing safe and good. So today's video is a haul video, Nykaa haul video. So all the products are summer essential skincare product. Only one product is a makeup product. So whatever I got from Nykaa, all are very essential for summer season for your skincare. I'm gonna share every details and every product right here. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. The first product has to be a sunscreen. So I ordered this Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock Sunscreen SPF 50 plus. I have been using this sunscreen since 2 years now, and I can't even tell you guys that how much I like this sunscreen. This is so good. It has water resistance, sweat resistance, resist rub up, oil free, paraben free, and even dermatology tested. So this one is a #1 essential product for your summer skincare, and the net quantity is 88 ml and the price is 650. But I got this for rupees 550. I ordered a combo pack, one for me and one for my sister. You guys have to use a sunscreen during summer, so you can order any sunscreen according to your preferences, but please make sure use sunscreen before step out of your house. So the next product is this, the Face Shop Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser. Quantity is 150 ml and the price is 650. This one is a little costly, but I heard a lot about this face wash particularly. The Face Shop products are all very genuine and very good, so I wanted to try this one. I got this for 580 I think because of the offer. So if you want to buy this one, you can buy from Nykaa because some offer going on Nykaa right now. So yeah, after this product, the next product is another The Face Shop scrub, which is smart peeling honey and black sugar scrub. This one also a bit costly guys, not a bit, actually costly, because the net quantity is 120 ml and the price is 950, like 1000 almost. But yeah, I heard that this particular scrub is very good for dry skin people and for blackheads and whiteheads. So currently I am suffering from a bad whiteheads problem around my nose and my chin area, so I wanted to try this one. The actual price is 950, but because of the offer I got this one for 800 something, so you can check it out on Nykaa. After this one, so because of these two products I got a free gift with these two. So they sent a green natural seed antioxidant trio kit. This is the kit, trio kit. So the first one is antioxidant toner, the second one is antioxidant lotion, and the another one is cream. So yeah, it is a mini free gift. So this one is a Nykaa hand and nail cream. I never used any hand cream before. I have a very dry skin, so that's why I wanted to try a hand cream. It has magnolia and white tea. It has a lot of oil like avocado oil, wheat germ oil, almond oil, argan oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, rice bran oil for your hand and nail, you know. And the price is 299. I don't know if it works or not, but yeah, I'm excited to try this one. After a hand cream, I ordered a face mask, Aim Caffeine face mask, Choco face mask, especially for dry skin people. You guys must know about coffee face mask, which is for oily skin people, oily and combination skin. But this one is a chocolate face mask for dry skin people, and quantity is 100 gram and the price is 595. So I already used this one before. I know about this product, and trust me, this one is a very nice product for dry skin people, and I love the smell. I mean, it smells like real chocolate. So these are the all face skincare product. I'm gonna show you some body skincare product, some scrub and lotion. Ta-da! This one is my favorite body scrub, guys. This one is my third number of purchase, and I love MCafe coffee body scrub. I think I can't live without this one now. So I ordered again. It has coffee with coconut, and net quantity is 100 gram, and the price is 449. But if you buy a combo pack with this face wash or body oil or body butter, then you're definitely going to save your money. I ordered this with the combo pack with the body butter, so I think I got 100 rupees off. So this one is the MCafe Naked and Rich Choco Body Butter for all skin type people, and the net quantity is 250 gram. The price is 645. I got this one with that coffee body scrub. Even this one also smells so good. It has vitamin E, aqua, argan oil and caramel, which is good for your skin. So I'm gonna share all the link, all the details in my description box, so you guys can check it out. So yeah, these are the all skincare products, some for body and some for face. After all of these, I have one makeup product. This one is the Maybelline New York Instant Age Remind Eraser. So I wanted to buy this one for such a long time, but due to some reason I never buy this one before, so I ordered this one now. I think you guys also heard about this product so many times from so many beauty bloggers and beauty influencers, beauty gurus. My shade is 122 Sand. So if you are someone with my skin color, then you can definitely buy this one, 122 Sand. So yeah guys, this was it. Oh, and the price is 620, but because of the offer I got this one for 480. So yeah, these are the all products I got for my summer essential skincare. So I wanted to, you know, pamper myself a little bit extra this time. Yeah, this was it for today's video. If you guys like this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye.